Seriously? Did they do it? Let's talk about it. Predator mode activated. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. So in today's video we are going to discuss the new type of Pandora boxes from our friend from China. I did a lot of reviews about Pandora boxes and there are a shitload of these arcade machines. Alright, so if you're not familiar with the product, in short I'm going to give you a little explanation what it is. So basically this is more like a two-player plug-and-play arcade stick. So this thing contains a lot of games. The Chinese are pretty naughty from this point on, but this is what you're going to get. And what they're doing with this version, they're ripping off the Capcom arcade stick. Yes, so Capcom have announced their new official, let's say Pandora stick in the form of the Capcom logo. And seriously people, the stick is not out on the moment of making this video. And yes, they are ripping it off. Let's say the form, the shape of the shell is like the Capcom stick, but they put their own art layout on it. It's pretty damn horrible if you ask me. It's very ugly. Ugh. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of the Capcom stick. I think combination with the decal of Capcom, it looks nice, but I have seen way better versions. Alright, so what are we going to get with this one? This one is including more than 2,700 games. I don't know a lot of information about what kind of games, but if this Pandora box is inside this Capcom ripoff, it's more like an Heroes model, but they relabeled it with Pandora Box 9. Yeah, people, Pandora Box 9, they make it so freaking confusing. You have around 3 versions of the Pandora Box 9. I'm not including the Pandora 9D, the Pandora 9S Plus. There are a couple of 9 versions. It's pretty weird, you just call them 9, but they are totally different. And yes, there are not only the menu that are different, but the emulation and support, etc, etc. But there was also something else, and I don't know if the official Capcom version was with, let's say, a plastic housing or a plastic casing, but this one, it looks like a plastic casing, and that makes it extra cheap. What I like about original Pandora boxes, you can scroll a little bit down here, you can see it. What I really like about these is that you're having, the bottom is made from metal. Let's say the top is made from transparent plastic or transparent, let's say transparent plastic with a very thick sticker on it. I like it, that it makes it more like a very quality feeling. But still, this thing is made full of plastic, so it will be very light. I'm guessing they're selling it for 180 euro. So yeah, this is what we're going to get with the Pandora box or the Pandora Capcom ripoff. I found this on Amazon France. Maybe in the future we can find it on other Amazon stores and maybe just on AliExpress. I don't know if I'm going to pick one up because it's basically the same Pandora box all over again. I did not make a review from this point on with this Pandora box number 9. I did a couple of them in Pandora box 9, but basically they are all rip-offs from other versions and they are not quite as good like the official Pandora box. Alright, so I can't wait to have this original Capcom stick in my possession so I can check it out. What are we going to get? But for now, this is what we're going to get, a rip-off Capcom stick Pandora box. Oh yeah. It comes with the same stuff like all the other boxes. Or all the official Pandora boxes, like with an HDMI cable, USB, so I'm guessing you connect it to a PlayStation 3, no PlayStation 4 by the way. VGA cable, we have an instruction, etc, etc. So this is what you're going to get. I really love to know from you, what do you think of this? The rip-off of the Pandora, or the rip-off from the Capcom stick, the Capcom Pandora stick. They needed to rip it. Why? Because this thing is ugly. Oh yeah. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome Wicked content and maybe I can review this stick in the future. And if you like gaming, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.